Why the hell would you want to learn from a drag queen? Said no one. Let me tell you why. Hi, I am Manila Luzon, and yes, I am a drag queen. I was on RuPaul's Drag Race in 2011, 2012, and 2018. I really like being on Drag Race. My stage name is Manila, but I'm also Carl Philip Michael. Sometimes I look like this, and sometimes I look like that. Drag is not just about dressing up and putting on makeup. It's a transformation to your more fabulous self. And it doesn't just have to be one self. It can be many. It allows you to explore different sides of who you are unapologetically. And in this course, we are going to do just that. We are going to explore so that we can find the power within us. I'm going to teach you how to do your drag makeup. So much of makeup today is from us drag queens. Baking, contouring, highlight. I got a lot of secrets under my dress to teach you. I'm going to teach you how to style yourself, how to choose the right clothes, how to dress the part, but most importantly, how to use your body to your advantage. And last but not least, I will show you how to embody that power within you through humor and grace. What does that mean? I will teach you how to have an attitude, a style, something that people will remember you for. Drag taught me that if an old man like me can look fabulous, then anybody can be fabulous, even you. So welcome to Manila's School of Drag.